Welcome back, everyone. Today, we've got some exciting news regarding the digitalization of the UK visa system. Have you heard about the UK's plans for electronic visas? Well, you're in luck because we'll be discussing the latest updates. So, stay tuned. Planning to migrate to the UK? Which visa routes are you interested in? Let us know in the comments below, and we'll bring you more content on those topics. Alright, let's dive into the video. With the ongoing influence of technology on our daily lives, immigration processes are also embracing the digital landscape. UKVIsas and immigration are planning to introduce eVisas, replacing the hassles of physical documents with online immigration status records. But first, how can you access these eVisas? Well, it's quite simple. eVisas are easily accessible by creating a UKVI account, which will be linked to your passport. This account enables you to effortlessly manage and update your information, including contact details and personal information. Moreover, the View and Prove service generates a code to share time-limited access to your immigration information with third parties like landlords or employers. This system allows you to prove your immigration status with just a few clicks, eliminating the hassles of lost or stolen documents. Now, let's talk about how to create a UKVI account. Before your BRP expires on December 31, 2024, UKVI will publicize guidelines for creating your UKVI account and accessing your visas. Biometric residence card holders who receive status under the EU settlement scheme should already possess an eVisa. These BRC holders should explore their grant letter or email for information on accessing and utilizing their eVisa digital status. Meanwhile, continue carrying your BRC when traveling internationally. Physical document holders should monitor any further updates from UKVI regarding the switch to digital visa documentation. And that's all for today, folks. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay in the loop on the latest immigration news. See you next time.